up to the sunlight streaming, last night's worry slowly fading. Every heartbeat whispers softly, new day's promise keeps me hoping. Clouds may gather but they'll pass, rainy moments never last. Hold on tight to dreams you're chasing, morning's light is so embracing. Joy comes in the morning light, shining through the darkest night. Hold your heart and keep it tight, daybreak brings a brand new sight. Through the shadows, through the fight, every tear turns into might. Close your eyes and see the dawn, in the end we all move on. Count the stars above your head, lay your doubts and fears to bed. Every sorrow has its end, brighter days will come again. Joy comes in the morning light, shining through the darkest night. Hold your heart and keep it tight, daybreak brings a brand new sight. Count the stars above your head, lay your doubts and fears to bed. Every sorrow has its end, brighter days will come again. Joy comes in the morning.